The notion that a first lady must be elegant, refined, and devoid of personal opinions is a stereotype that Michelle Obama shatters in her memoir Becoming, where she reveals the complexities and challenges of her life before and during her time in the White House. This book challenges common beliefs about what it means to be a woman, a wife, and a mother, and you absolutely need to hear her story. By sharing her experiences, Michelle Obama shows you that even the most polished and poised individuals can have rough edges and profound struggles. Becoming, written by Michelle Obama, is a deeply personal and reflective memoir that explores her life, from her childhood in Chicago to her years as First Lady. And the best part is that you can listen to the full audiobook completely free using the trial link in the description below. Michelle Obama's story is a testament to the power of resilience, hard work, and determination, and it is a must-listen for anyone looking to be inspired and motivated. One of the most powerful lessons from the book is the importance of embracing your true self, flaws and all, and not trying to conform to societal expectations. For example, Michelle Obama shares how she struggled to balance her career and family life, and how she eventually learned to prioritize her own needs and desires. Another key insight is the value of perseverance and grit in the face of adversity, as seen in her experiences with racism and sexism throughout her life. If this is resonating with you, don't wait, grab the full audiobook free using the link in the description. A third insight that stands out is the importance of building strong relationships and finding a supportive community, which Michelle Obama credits with helping her navigate the challenges of her life. Her story is a reminder that you don't have to go through tough times alone, and that having a strong support system can make all the difference. The free trial link is waiting for you right in the description below. Click it, start listening today, and transform your life.